Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet automated workflows and alerts step by step clearly. First, open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet you want to automate. Locate the automation option in the top menu bar. Click on it to open the automation drop-down menu. Select Create a Workflow from the available options. You will see a new workflow editor appear on your screen. Choose a trigger for your workflow. Click on the first drop-down menu to select your trigger type. Common triggers include when rows are added or when a date is reached. After selecting a trigger, configure any additional settings. Next, click on the Add Action button to define what happens after the trigger. In the Action drop-down, choose your desired action, such as send an alert or move rows to another sheet. If you selected Send an Alert, you can enter specific email addresses or select users from your Smartsheet account. Customize the alert message by filling in the subject and body text fields. If you want to add more actions, click on Add Action again and repeat the process. Review the flow of your workflow in the right panel for clarity. Once you're satisfied with your automation setup, click the Save button. Assign a name to your workflow for future reference. To activate the workflow, make sure to toggle the activation switch to on. Finally, test your workflow to ensure it operates as expected. That's it. Your automated workflows and alerts are now set up in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.